Hold on, guys, hold on. Maybe. Excuse me.
They somehow ended up in the ectoplasm. Now they're ecto-goblins and they're just...
Should I just make like a shovel if we have enough? Excuse me. Guys, no villages? Really? Excuse me. God, guys, not again. Are you kidding? I know like what's gonna happen to me. Like as soon as I end this stream, I'm gonna keep sneezing for like the next 7 hours. I'm gonna wake up with a fever again. It happens every week. Every single week.